Right, so I've got a ram air induction kit, absolutely fantastic. Look at the size of this filter, absolutely brilliant. So I'm going to give it a clean. I'm going to order the relevant oil online, aerosol oil, whatever, to spray on this after I've cleaned it. Now on the inside of here, it's absolutely fantastic with a ram air. It's all stainless steel, so you can use water, hot fairy liquid, that sort of thing to clean it, and it shouldn't damage any of the internal components. That's absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to literally put the plug in, and we're going to give this a thorough clean, and we're going to see how dirty the water is and see how much of an impact literally just using some hot water and some fairy liquid can do to a ram air filter. And then in this beautiful weather, I'm going to take it outside, let it dry out for a few days before applying the oil treatments. Let's give this a go. Let's have a nosy. There's that many suds in the water, you can't really appreciate how much dirt has come off the filter. But just through that, being extra thorough with it, it's just gotten out loads of dirt. It looks like a brand new filter already. So just be extra thorough. Make sure you get all the fairy liquid out of it. Give it a good rub and just basically get all that dirt out of it. All that good dirt you've been saving for years. Get it out of there, give it a good rinse. Make sure the fairy liquid is thoroughly rinsed out of this. So I'm going to empty this sink now and just get some fresh water in it. Give it another pass. But the beauty of it is, if you squeeze it, it produces air bubbles in here. So you know when you've got the majority of the moisture out just by doing this. And you can literally, when the bubbles stop, you know you've got the majority of the moisture out and you've got the majority of the fairy liquid gone. So then it's just a case of taking it outside when it's thoroughly cleaned off and just let it dry out naturally. And that's what we're going to do here. I've still got a little bit more rinsing to do, but as you can see, the filter's looking pretty much brand new compared to what it was. That's absolutely fantastic. So like I say, be extra thorough with it. Make sure you get all the soapy suds out of it. Make sure it's extra wringed out and there's no excess water, and leave it somewhere to dry for a good few days. You don't want to be trying to compress water. That's not what we're all about, do you know what I mean? So let this thoroughly dry for about 3 days, and then in 3 days time, I'm going to hopefully have some of that oil and I'm going to reapply this, and the filter should be like brand new. Absolutely brilliant. Look at that carbon fibre effect, ram air induction kit. We don't mess about here.